Today we will study about programming errors in C language. Now, programming errors. Errors are the problems or faults that occurs in the program and makes the behavior of the program abnormal. Programming errors are also known as bugs or faults, and the process by which these bugs or faults are removed is known as debugging. So we can say that debugging is a process by which an error is removed from a program. These errors or bugs are detected either during the time of compilation or during the time of execution. These errors must be removed for the successful execution of the program. In a C program, we have 5 types of programming errors. One is syntax error, second one is runtime error, third is linker error, fourth is logical error, and the fifth one is semantic error. Now let us describe all these type of errors one by one. So first we will discuss the syntax error. Syntax errors are also known as compilation time errors, as they occurred at the compilation time. We can also say that these errors are thrown by the compilers. These errors mainly occurs due to the mistakes done by the programmer while typing. These errors can be easily corrected. Now let us take an example. For example, we have a statement integer a and we have a statement integer a. So this is the correct statement, but this is incorrect statement. Here we get a syntax error. Some common type of syntax error are, suppose we have missed out the parenthesis, we doesn't end a statement with a semicolon, so we will get these type of errors. Now second type of errors are runtime errors. Sometimes the error exists during the execution time. Even after the successful compilation, when the program is running and it is not able to perform some operations, then these type of errors occur. For example, divide a number by 0. So we will get a runtime error. The output doesn't results fruitful. Third is linker error. Now, linker error mainly generated when the executable file of the program is not created. In the previous lecture, I have taught you the compilation process. Now, after the assembly code is generated, object code is generated, then the linker does its function and the libraries are getting linked to your file. So if the linker doesn't able to link the file, then we will get a linker error. For example, we have a main.c file. Inside the main we defined another file function.c, and suppose we have defined a function subtract here and we are searching the function here, then we will get a linking error. Fourth one are logical errors. These errors are the errors that leads to an undesired result. This is due to the fact of incorrect output. Suppose we have a statement in which we are performing the sum of two numbers, but we want a multiplication of two numbers. So this is logical error. We have to perform multiplication here. At last, we have semantic error. Semantic error are the errors that occur when the statements are not understandable by the compiler. So thank you very much. Hope you will understand these all 5 type of programming errors. Thank you very much.